Hey guys, today I have an unboxing video for you guys. I'm going to be unboxing the Sugar Smart box. Basically what it is a monthly box full of goodies that are low in sugar, low in carbs. So it's very good for someone with a diabetic diet or someone that just doesn't want to eat a lot of sugars and a lot of carbs, which should be everyone, honestly. So this box is $34.95 a month. You get 7+ snacks, and I'm excited to see what's in here. This is what the box looks like. Inside is a card. It says, "Snack away, your Sugar Smart box has arrived. Check out the back of this card for some great smart offers." So there's no card, like it doesn't tell you exactly what's in here. It just has, like I said, discounts for stuff that's in here. Okay, first thing is the Healing Butterfly Matcha Green Tea Powder. It's 100% organic Japanese matcha green tea powder. So, pardon my ignorance, but I've had green tea before. Is matcha green tea different? I don't know. I feel silly asking that. I probably should have Googled it. My hair's, oh guys, I need to do something with my hair. I need to color it. I need to do something because I'm just like, yay! Nom's Energy Bites. Organic ingredients, almonds, dates, cocoa, and coconut oil. I don't know how I feel about, sorry, I'm like checking the dates. I am like a stickler for checking dates on things. My husband, on the other hand, had popcorn the other night that expired in October 2017. And he ate it anyway, and it didn't affect him. And I'm like, okay. All right, hold on, I'm trying to open this. Almonds, I don't know. Oh, see, I don't think I would like these, but Lewis, on the other hand, probably will. Although, yeah, I don't think I'll like it. I'm gonna save these for Lou Dog. More almond stuff. So this is the Curly Girls Candy, no sugar added almond toffee, milk chocolate, keto friendly, no artificial sweeteners, maltitol free, I don't know what that is, gluten free, made in USA. These actually look good. Like little chocolate bites. I can't resist some chocolate. What the heck? Oh, it's toffee. Hello. I'm like, why is it hard on the inside? That's actually really good. Okay, next is the Keto Love Carrot Cake Almond Butter. Is this all almond themed? No. Oh, that looks good. So does that. Okay, no. There's just a couple of things that were almond. Carrot Cake Almond Butter. Soy-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, GMO, no sugar added. What it looks like. It smells really good. These are the LC Snack Packs. Blackberries and toasted coconut. Ooh, I bet this is really good. Blackberries and toasted coconut, diabetic friendly, gluten free. Yeah, this looks actually really good. Like, it would be super messy though. Do you just eat it like this, or do you like put it on top of stuff? Like, I don't know, but this looks really, really good. And this one is, not a cheese fan. This is the Jack Cheese and Pumpkin Seed one. I know, not a cheese fan. Like, what, Vanessa? Are you human? Yeah, not a big cheese fan. But that's what that looks like. This is more up my alley. This is the Fat Snacks chocolate chip cookies. Low carb, sugar free, keto. That's what those look like. We're gonna try one. Oh, these are soft. Eat fat to get fit. Eat fat to get fit. That's what it says on the back here. This is good. This is really good. The last thing in the box is the Adapt Protein Bar. This is cookies and cream flavored. 17 grams of protein, 1 gram net carbs, and 1 gram of sugar. So yeah, this looks good. Oh man. See, I'm glad I checked dates on things. This says April 7th, 2018. There's expiration date on these cookies. I don't think there was one on these cookies. Oh yeah, there is. Cannot read that. Don't know what that says. Man, that sucks. I really wanted to try this. Not gonna try it, but let's look at it. Oh my gosh. Well, this doesn't look like how I thought it was gonna look. Cookies and cream? Like, what is... Let's open this. What is... What? 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 What the hell? This smells like pee, first of all, and this is not, how is this cookies and cream? Does this look like cookies and cream to you guys? I'm confused. I mean, when you show this on the outside, I would expect it to look a little something like that. Hold on, let me like open it. Yeah, see, I'm like breaking it apart and it's like, it really smells like pee. Okay, so that was everything that I got in my Sugar Smart box. I will have a link down below if you guys are interested in this. I might have a coupon code as well. I like these snack boxes because they have a variety of things that I wouldn't even like think to get or look for, like blackberries and toasted coconut. I'm really excited to try this. Okay, that is it for this video. Check the description box for a link to the Sugar Smart box website if you're interested. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.